What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with The Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money with Instagram's IGTV. You probably heard of it. It's something that's newer as of shooting this video. However, a lot of people have been discussing it. What is it? How can they benefit from it? What can they do to build up an audience to make money? And I want to show you what you can do to start using Instagram's IGTV and make money right now. So if you are unaware of what Instagram's IGTV is, okay, it's right here. You can see it on your phone, okay, but this right here is on my actual Homemade Entrepreneur channel. No, I have not done any videos for IGTV yet on my Homemade Entrepreneur channel. And yes, I have done it quite a bit on other channels. So if I click on upload, it's going to bring me to a page that looks like this. New IGTV video. This is the cool part, is for most things, Instagram does not let you post anything from desktop. With IGTV, you can. You can post stuff. You can write the title, the description, use the cover photo, upload your video. And that's what's going to make this strategy on how to make money and how to make $100 per day very, very simple. All right? So here's what you need to do. This is something that I use. Okay, you've probably seen some of my videos. I usually do book reviews, and I use this software. It's called Video Scribe. It's a software by Sparkle. Now, if you want to get, they do have a free, I think it's like 7 or 14-day trial. But if you want to buy it, I'm going to show you how it works in just a second. If you want to buy it, and no, I'm not giving you a link, but you can pay monthly, $29, or you can pay yearly, $144 a year, which comes out to $12 a month. Pretty great deal. This is an awesome software. Here's what you need to do, all right? So before I show you how the software actually works and what I recommend doing, let me give you a little insight. Okay, I know this works because I'm hiring somebody right now. I have somebody that I am paying. Okay, I'm paying them $10 a video. That's not a lot of money to create a video, but these are shorter videos. Okay, $10 a video, and this guy is from the Philippines, so just be aware of that. But I'm paying somebody $10 a video. The videos are about 3 to 4 minutes long, very short, very have a precise thing that I want them to cover. They're usually how-tos. Now, the benefit of doing this and why I'm paying $10 is because I'm starting to build an audience. I'm starting to build an audience, and I'm selling a physical product. This is something that somebody sees on IGTV, on how to use this certain product. Okay, it's a product that I sell on Amazon. But so I'm having somebody create a video, and they're doing slight voiceovers and stuff like this, very basic stuff. But I am paying them $10. What this means is they have to create a video, and they specifically have to create 10 videos in order to make $100 a day. And that's why I want to teach you this and show you this, because it's possible for anybody to do. It doesn't matter if you're just doing Instagram posts, you're doing Instagram stories, or you're doing Instagram TV. If you reach out to other people, okay, just like I did, I found somebody that I've used before for Instagram, but reach out to other people on Instagram, okay, other maybe they're Instagram influencers, they sell a product, they are promoting music or whatever it is, okay, and all you have to do is send them a direct message straight from your phone, okay, send it from your phone and ask them, hey, I see you're creating stories, have you gotten into Instagram TV yet? If you are, you're thinking about it, I do have a great rate. I'll create customized videos specifically for you and your brand, and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. I'll even give you a free video that you can use. Just to let me show you what I can do and how I can help you. Okay? Here's what Video Scribe does. So now here's video. One thing I want to recommend or tell you is, and you can go see down here in the Instagram TV video requirements, is that they want your video, the aspect ratio, to be between 4/5 and 9/16. So just be aware of that. Now, this right here is my my Video Scribe account. So let's say I come in here and I want to talk about how let's say I'm selling a pizza or something. I'm gonna click on that. Okay, so I'm gonna put this pizza exactly where I want it. I want it there. Okay, right here. So I'm gonna lock the camera in right there. I'm gonna add some text. let's say I'm going to promote a pizza parlor. This is the greatest pizza ever. Okay, right there. Good enough. Put it right there. It's the greatest pizza ever. Okay, there we go. Actually lock that one in. Okay, and now one thing you want to do is you just want to create an interesting type of video. Okay, and then let's say this one right here. Okay, I'm going to set it right there, lock it in. So now if we actually play it, okay, this is what it's going to look like. Oh, I forgot to log into my account. Anyway, so you're going to see the trial version right here. I guess this is my account, but anyway. So if you have the trial version, you're going to see VideoScribe trial version. If you have the actual version, you're going to see it's just a blank screen, and that shows this. Okay, you can get rid of zoom on in. That's what it's going to look like. Now, all you got to do is create videos like this. Okay, obviously put some more time in. Maybe do a voiceover. They actually have a voiceover option. There's a lot of different options here. But the benefit of doing this is that you can create something that other people are not really doing. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, you know, you're not going to get $10 for that. Okay? This is where you're wrong. Let me show you over on Fiverr. I'm going to go to Fiverr.com. I'm going to show you what people are paying to get this exact same thing done. Alright, so here I am on Fiverr. I typed in whiteboard video. You can also do whiteboard animation. And so let's just go through it. Okay? So this one right here, they have 5-star reviews, 5 different reviews. I'll create a whiteboard video starting at $5. I'll create a custom whiteboard video with hand starting at $100. They've had 22 reviews, 5-star rating, 95, starting at $90. Okay, $10, $3.50, $45, $5. Okay, I'll do a whiteboard video with voice in 1 day. I don't know how long this video is going to be. Okay, I'll make custom whiteboard video in 24 hours. I'll make a whiteboard video, $10, 983 reviews for that. You get the point. There is money to be made right here doing stuff on Instagram or doing stuff off of Instagram. But Instagram's so new, so many people are really pushing to take advantage of IGTV while it's so new, while it's still at the bottom, and they're going to ride the wave all the way to the top. Now, I know the question so many people are going to ask, well, okay, that's great. You showed me how to use VideoScribe. You showed me, you know, how I can charge for it. You showed me what other people are charging for this exact same service. And yes, you will be providing a service. But the one thing I didn't show you is how do I go and find those people, those clients, those customers to create these whiteboard style videos for? Can you show me that? Well, yes, I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so the one thing I can tell you is the people that are going to pay for this service are going to be selling something. I don't know what it is, but they're going to be selling something. Okay, it could be somebody like me who has a Shopify store who's doing drop shipping. Maybe I want to go and promote I don't know, a cat bracelet or a dog bracelet. Let's type that in. Dog bracelet. There we go. Alright, so we got this one right here. Okay, from Puppy Lover Store. There we go. If we go to puppylover.org, what are they selling? Okay. Oh, look. Looks like a Shopify store. Yep. It's a Shopify store. You go all the way down. Shopify Pay. Yep. Powered by Shopify. It's a Shopify store. Okay. Imagine that. Now, the reason why I even show you that, let's go back to that. Dog bracelet. That's just one. There's probably another one. There's another one. Okay. I can tell you right. This is an elegant paw print bracelet. Free shipping. Let's open that one up. Here we go. Paw Strong right here. 1,500 followers. There you go. There's the product right there. It's a free shipping item. I don't know how much it costs. Doesn't matter. Don't care to click on it. But you get the point. This is just a dog bracelet. What if I don't want to do dog bracelets? What if I want to talk about, let's say, Seattle pizza? Okay. I want to do something for a pizza place in Seattle. I want to find one. 206 Foodie. What's this one? I don't know. Don't know. I want to find some businesses. Don't know. What's this one? World Pizza. Okay. Maybe I open that up. I want to see what they have. Okay. World Pizza on Tumblr. I'm not sure really what that is. Okay. I'm going to come back look for some more. What is this one? Mio Posto. Okay. Click on that one. Let's open that one up. Here we go, pizza and more in 4 neighborhood locations in Seattle and the East Side. Cool. All right. And so this is an actual pizza place. But do they have anything as far as videos? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I can create one of these sweet looking Instagram or these whiteboard videos for them specifically to promote their business. That's something you can do. Okay, they have their website right here. I'm not gonna click on it, but you get the point. Okay, it's so easy to do this, to create a whiteboard style video just like this one. Okay, obviously put a little more time and effort into it. Don't make it so bland and boring and generic like this one, but put some effort into it. Maybe pull up their storefront. Okay, take this picture and stick it on here. Okay, same thing that I did with this thing right here. This is Burger King. Okay, I did a video talking about Burger King. Okay, put up their storefront. Okay, make it dance around. Do all this crazy stuff. Okay, make it interesting. So the whole reason why I created this video, and most people are gonna say, well, it's because you wanna just create another video. Well, yeah, I do, but I want to teach you something different. Now, I have not actually done this. I have not actually went out there and tried to find different people to go and create videos for them. And the reason why I haven't done that is because I'm doing that for my own business. I found somebody to create the video for my business. Okay, so I'm kind of doing it the reverse way, but it works for me. The reason why I want to show you this is because one of the things I try to do here on the Homemade Entrepreneur YouTube channel is I try to teach you guys different ways to make money, to think outside the box. Everybody talks about, oh, you want to make money with Instagram. What you need to do is you need to put an affiliate link inside inside the URL, your website URL over on your account, and hope people click on it and buy a product and you make a small commission. That works and that's great. That's if you have a decent sized following. If you don't have a following, or you just have one account with 10 of your closest friends and family, that's fine. You can still make money. But you have to go out there and find other people that are willing to pay you to create a video for their product, their service, their business. Okay? And if you can do that, you do not need a bunch of people. Here's what I recommend. Is you sell one video for $15. Okay? You sell one video for $15. Or if they buy 10 videos, you'll do it for $100 even. Or maybe they need a sample video. Create a free sample video. Make a free sample video, 30 seconds to a minute long. Give it to them and let them do what they want with it. This strategy does not only work with Instagram, it works with YouTube, it works with Facebook, it works all over the place. You can create individual videos for people specifically for their websites. You can do a whole lot of stuff. Okay? I just want to show you this is possible. Now, one thing that you need to understand is there's going to be a lot of people getting into IGTV. Okay, a lot of people are going to want to make money with it, and there's people out there that are going to tell you, oh, you can do it, you can do this, you can do that, and yes, you probably can. I have proven this, not this strategy for Instagram TV yet, okay, but I've proven that going out there and creating content for other people actually works. It's something that I do. Okay, now I outsource everything, so I get people to pay me, $100, and I go pay somebody else like 50, 60 bucks, and I keep the difference. But it works. The strategy works. It's been around for a long time. It's nothing new. It's just new to Instagram TV because IGTV is new. If it wasn't new, I guarantee you've heard of a lot of these different strategies. So go out there, make that money, find customers that you can create this content for. Killer, awesome, incredible content. Make that. Make it happen. Let them spread the word to their friends, their family, their coworkers, their associates, and build your business that way. Okay, so if you guys have any questions on how to make money with Instagram's IGTV, let me know in the comment section below. I'm here to help you any way I can. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video and want more videos on different ways to make money online. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.